and George here from Full Deck. We're here at the garage today, and you know that we do lots of experiments, lots of work, lots of projects here on the channel. Today, we're gonna organize our tools because we have a ton of air tools in the garage here at George's house. And we have 2 new air tool holders that we purchased on TikTok Shop. We're gonna check it out. We're gonna unbox it with you guys, and we're gonna install it and see how it works. So hang out, follow along, get ready for this adventure. All right, guys, we're here in the garage at George's house, and we have a table before us with all the stuff that everyone finds on a daily basis that's taking up space, precious space in their garage workshops or wood shops. On my side, I have these drills. These are more popular nowadays. You know, you got drills, you got this great stuff. The stuff you're trying to insulate your house with, it's stacking up, and we want to do something with it. And on George's side, he's got some stuff as well.
And on my side, I'm the older of the two, in case you haven't been able to tell. I got my old reliable air tools, but we'll kind of both meet in the middle. Right. I find using those tools, and the problem is what we're going to solve today is one tool, one shelf actually, right, that organizes these tools and those tools together.
Here we go. We got the box right here. This is the tool right here. We got it on what? What do you say? TikTok Shop?
TikTok Shop.
From Alitis Tools?
Yeah.
Tell me a little about that. What's going on with Alitis Tools there? You got some good stuff going on?
We're about to find out.
All right, let's see. TikTok Shop. That's very popular. Everyone's going on TikTok buying stuff. Like everybody, even my mom. It's crazy. Okay. Wow, good packaging. All right, all right.
So from what I read,
we got 2 of them. Awesome.
Yeah. So
I'll go open this one up real quick.
It's patented.
Okay.
And what it does, it actually protects your air tools from being exposed to the garage elements, like the dust, the most important thing.
There's a lot of sawdust. There's dust.
Sawdust and
rust. Holds up to 35 pounds. No kidding.
Yep.
Dust shield. It says dust shield.
And the top works as a shelf to get all these other things. That's
that's why. I was like, how are these gonna hang in it? But I get what you're saying. It's a shelf. So that's
a shelf. It's a shelf for the cordless.
Oh, that's
and
cool.
A hanger for and you can use the shelf for anything else, but for my purposes, we're gonna be using it for the air tools.
I don't even have it up yet, and I already want one for myself. Can I have this one?
You can have that one.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Heck yeah, man! That's what I'm talking about. This is great.
And if you see right here, it's slotted in the back, so it's slotted for more strength.
Oh. And okay. Like a bridge, like truss.
Like a bridge, like trusses, and to make it more rigid. And then when the wind comes in, to prevent drafts, because sometimes dirt follows the draft and finds its way back there. And the wall becomes the back plate that makes it a sealed unit for your air tools when they're hanging. Oh. And that's the idea.
Let's get one in there. I want to see, because I want to clean up the shop a little bit. So let's get over there and.
It needs 5 screws.
Okay, 5 screws. Yep. Okay. 2 on the top, and is that 2? Yep, top, and 3 on the bottom. Yep, this is the bottom. All right, let's get that going.
Well, Nick, this is the stuff that I'm gonna clean up. We
marked the holes.
Yeah, but there was something over here that I keep making holes and putting things up, and nothing works. So I'm gonna put it right here, about this height, and it's easy. I usually work on the car right over there, whatever I need, and the other toolbox is on the left side.
I'll get on this side of you. We'll get it. Okay. Oh, look at this guy's smart, bro. Who would have thought of that?
I'm not going to be using any anchors because this is a panel, and the panel is glued to the back wall.
It's thick as well, so it's grabbing.
So it's going to have enough grab right there. But here's the thing. See, Nick? See how the slat is this way?
Yeah.
If we give it a little bit of a pitch, then the gravity locks them in place.
Oh.
So you understand?
Okay. Yeah.
So that's what we're going to do. Right there.
That's her. All right. Sending one. Perfect.
All right, now put the rest of it.
Yeah, buddy. Look on this. It blends in with the rest of the shop, man. It looks really good.
It does. It does. It does.
Oh, so I mean, just use. Look at that. Oh.
Yeah. I don't want to take the. Okay. I'm gonna use the ones that I used the least towards this corner on this side.
Hold on a second. You could be narrating.
Much, but when it does, it pays itself.
I really can't believe how much stuff we have stacked.
I know.
up on this thing.
Look at that.
All the tools, and it. Just imagine how much space all these took up, y'all, on the top of toolboxes here. This one toolbox. Now this one air tool holder that is barely anything is holding so much. It didn't take up any wall real estate, and it gave us so much more practical space to store our air tools and our power tools and what have you. Whatever you want to put on there, even a Bluetooth speaker. Those are hot spots you usually find in the garage when you want to listen to music. That looks really good. We cleared the whole table of everything that we had on it, and we have completely fitted it on the air tool holder, the shelf, minus the great stuff. Everything else fit on that, including the Bluetooth speaker. George, just tell us quick, where we getting this again? The TikTok shop? We're gonna drop a QR code and a link below the video. Don't forget, if you like this and you want to get it, go get 1, 2, 3. Mom, Dad, Father's Day is coming up. This is a great Father's Day gift. Shoot, even moms like this kind of stuff. It's a shelf. They don't need to use a slot, but you know moms are crafty and they will find some to hang from these little slots where the air tool holders go. At least my mom would. So Father's Day is coming up. Check it out. It's a great Father's Day gift. I believe Father's Day is like a month away, like a month and a half away. So get yours now before they run out, because I'm sure these things will be flying off the shelves. It's a great gift for grandfathers and friends. And for yourself, you can be selfish sometimes. If you want to splurge a little bit on yourself, get yourself one of these. You know what I mean?
It's worth checking it out. It's worth it. Take a look at it again. It aesthetically looks good.
Looks great.
It's not just solves the problem. It looks good. It looks good. And your tools are protected. You leave them out, you let them hang all over the place. Look around me. I start a project, I finish it 2 weeks later. I spend more time looking for the tools to start. If you're like me, you need this. Trust me.
All right, guys, thanks for tuning in to another episode of Full Deck. Today we did an unboxing of the Alitis air tool holder and shelf. I can't wait to get mine set up in my room with all my camera equipment, because it's going to hold lenses, which is a really good use for it. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Enjoy it, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Peace. Thank you.